Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate hours worked in Excel. Let's get started. In the table we've set up, you'll find the timestamps for when an employee began and completed their work. Calculating work hours is easy. Just take the later time and subtract the earlier one. But there's one crucial rule to bear in mind. To ensure Excel accurately subtracts time and displays the correct time format, you must properly format the cells before performing the calculation. Once you've formatted the cells as needed, click in the cell where you want the result to appear. In this instance, it's cell E3. Type the equal sign and select the cell containing the later time value, which is 4:30 p.m. here. Since we're subtracting, enter the minus sign and then add the time recorded under Start Work. Press Enter. And voila! You have your answer. On Monday, the employee worked a total of 7 hours and 30 minutes. If you'd like to calculate work hours for each day of the week, just click on the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula and drag it down to the cells where you need a calculation to be performed. That's it. Great work. You've successfully computed the hours worked for each day of the week. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.